Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Elenna. I'm going to take you through some yoga. We're going to shake things up a little bit. We're going to do a different type of series for the next probably 6 to 8 weeks. Little shorter segments. We're going to do more targeted body groups. This way, if you only have time for a quick sequence, you can fit it in if you want to. There will be a part 1 and a part 2 to everything, so you can string them together. You can kind of mix and match, and of course, you can always group that with one of the existing classes that we already have online for you. I hope you enjoy. Welcome to Lower Body Session 1. We're gonna get started settling into your space. You are gonna probably need some props today, so blocks, towels, blankets, just making sure they're within arm's reach. We're gonna begin in butterfly, so soles of the feet together, creating a diamond shape with the legs. Opening the knees, placing your props under the thighs, under the knees if you need to. Hands can be outside, hands can be inside. Starting to just melt forward, close down the eyes. Connect to your breath and just start to settle in. Noticing how your body feels today. And maybe choosing a word, a mantra, or an intention for your practice if you like. And just settling here. Allowing yourself just to melt here, releasing any unnecessary tension. Just soften and settle. Slowly reverse your way up. Taking your time. We're gonna extend the legs out long. We're gonna move next into caterpillar. So adjusting the seat if you need to. The legs are long and relaxed. If it feels like too much with the legs straight, taking your rolled up towel or blanket and just placing it underneath the knees, bending the knees slightly there, giving a little bit less intensity if that's what works for you. I'm gonna just walk the hands forward. And again, just looking for your first edge. Melt forward, close down the eyes, and breathe. So looking for your first edge, finding that first little bit of sensation. Letting the upper body just melt forward, allowing it to be heavy. And releasing any tension in the low body, glutes soft. Breathe into the thighs, the hips. No tension in the calves, the ankles, or the feet. And just melt here. Letting go a little more and more with every breath. Slowly taking your time, reversing your way up. And moving next into Dragonfly. So we're gonna open the legs up as wide as is comfortable for you. So I'm not forcing it here. Working to where you can. You're gonna walk the hands forward. Just noticing where you feel that first bit of sensation. Allow the upper body to melt forward. Let the head hang, the chest be heavy, and breathe. And again, no tension in the low body, glutes soft. Breathe into the hips. Release tension from the fronts and the backs of the thighs. Nice soft calves. Relax into the ankles and the feet. And just breathe. Soften and settle. And slowly reverse your way up. And we're gonna make our way into saddle. And bend up the knees. And for this one, likely gonna need a prop. If it hurts, kneel down, placing a blanket, a towel under the knees. Having a block, a cushion, something to that nature for under the hips. We're gonna open up the feet so that you're able to sit down in between the heels. If this is not comfortable, that's where we're gonna use that prop. Just sit down, cushion under the hips. If this isn't quite enough, a block, maybe even a bigger cushion. Just noticing what it is that your body needs. Sitting nice and tall if you're able to. If you're needing to lean forward and place weight in the hands today, that's okay. Just honoring your body, opening into the low body here. If you're able to sit up tall, great. Finding what works for you. If you're able to reverse all the way back, you're certainly welcome to do so. Just finding your edge. What's comfortable for you today. Closing the eyes and settling in. Breathing into tension, breathing into resistance. Allow yourself to let it go. And slowly reversing your way up. Removing your props if you have them. And we're gonna come down onto our tummies for our last posture. We're gonna do a little bit of a supported back bend. We're gonna move into Sphinx. So elbows under the shoulders, palms face down, feet can be together or apart, just making sure low body nice and soft. Shoulders down and away from your ears, lifting through the chest. You can close the eyes if you like. And just breathe into the nice gentle compression you're creating in the low spine. Like a little more here, and bend up the knees, bring the soles of the feet together. If that doesn't quite feel right, you can stay in Sphinx. You can also try to push into Seal. So the arms are straight, you're still gonna keep your shoulders away from your ears, still keeping low body nice and soft. Staying in Sphinx, if that feels good to you. Breathe. And slowly release down from whatever variation you're in, palms face down, just resting the head for a moment. And slowly making your way to a seated position. Spine long, checking in with how you feel. Hands to heart center if you like. You can close your eyes for a moment, sealing in your practice. Opening the eyes. Hope you enjoyed. Namaste.